Are you looking to get free McDonald's points? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a McDonald's mod for 2025 that gives you unlimited points. So as you can see, I got like 14,000 points right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you need to do is go over to this website. It's called zoomods.com, and they have the McDonald's mod on this site. So here's the website. They have like lots of cool stuff if you play like games and stuff. So that doesn't matter right now. We're just going to type in McDonald's and boom, McDonald's mod right there. So press on it and we're going to wait for it to download. So it's a very easy download. So this is a modded McDonald's. It's totally safe. I've used this for a while now. I haven't been banned. My McDonald's account has not been banned. But you can open up a new one if you want, so you don't have to worry about your existing points. But anyway, before it downloads, we do have to do one more step. This is a verification, and it means we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're from the App Store. They're free, so that means they're safe because they're on the App Store. So as you can see, it says please install 2 free apps to automatically install. Now, you need to be very careful when you do this, that you actually read the instructions on the app and you actually complete them. So for instance, complete level 10, run for 30 seconds. There are people that download these apps, they don't do the app instructions, and then they don't get free McDonald's points, and they rage. And maybe they leave a mean comment like this doesn't work. But they're scammers, because what they're doing is they're doing half of the process. You need to actually read the instructions. This game, at least it looks like a game, Family Island, it says reach level 10. So I'm going to press tap to install. It's going to redirect me to the App Store, willy-nilly App Store. I'm going to actually play the game. I'm going to reach level 10 like a normal human, and I'm going to then get my McDonald's points. That's just one. You don't have to do this Family Island game if you don't want to. They have TikTok, where you just have to run it for 30 seconds, but some of you guys might already have TikTok. They have Swag Bucks. They have Dice Dreams. This one seems kind of booty. You got to reach Kingdom level 6, but how far away is that from reaching level 10 in Family Island? And guys, apparently, from what I've heard, these are not the only apps that will show up. So anyway, once you do all that bullshit, because it kind of is bullshit, you will get your McDonald's points. It's worth it. It's a one-time thing. So be sure to try us out, and peace out.